Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your iPhone 15 Pro runs the latest iOS and that NFC is active. This matters because updates add stability and tag compatibility. Open Settings to confirm background tag reading is on, or pull down Control Center to check the NFC icon. Once done, hold the tag near the top rear of the phone. That's where the antenna sits. You'll feel the screen wake if the tag is detected. This first step prevents false reads and speeds the whole process. Next, use the Shortcuts app to create or assign actions. This is where NFC becomes useful. Create a new automation, choose NFC, then scan the tag at the detection spot to register it. Make sure you allow shortcuts to run with or without asking depending on your privacy needs. This determines whether you tap to confirm each action. Then attach an action, open an app, set focus, or run a multi-step shortcut. Test the tag twice to make sure the phone reliably triggers the chosen sequence. Finally, validate the workflow by testing end-to-end. Tap the tag, observe the action, and repeat while rotating the phone a bit. Orientation can affect reads. If it fails, make sure the tag is NDEF formatted and not blocked by metal or a thick case. Rescan the tag in Shortcuts and reassign if needed. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the iPhone and confirm iOS is current. Only then consider resetting network or settings, because that resolves stubborn NFC issues without losing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.